Welcome to our lesson about the Brake tool. Let's start by activating the Brake tool. Now let's select a view from our sheet. In the Brake editor, we can change the style as well as the orientation of the brake. The display option basically controls the appearance of the brake. Now let's position the brake. I'm going to select the first line in my graphic area, and the second mouse click will position the second line. Here's my brake. Notice it wasn't applied to the top view. Let's right-click and select Edit View. Display Options, and let's check Brake. Click OK. Now to reposition the brake, I'm going to grab and drag this green dot. To make the brake bigger, grab and drag the line towards the right. To make the brake smaller, grab and drag the line towards the left. To edit the brake options, right-click on the brake and select Edit Brake. Let's change the gap, for example. OK, and now our gap is a little bit wider. Right-click, Edit Brake. Let's change the brake style now. OK, and here is our new style. To delete a brake, just right-click on it and select Delete. Let's undo to restore our brake. And this concludes our lesson about the Brake tool.